Hey, we're here at AGG1 in Nashville. It's been a really great turnout here on day one so far. We've shown off our new addition here to the factory on our display. We also have some models of the impactor, which we showed last year at Con Expo in Las Vegas, the portable chassis that goes along with that, and as well we're just trying to display our structure capability, some of the custom work that we do, right, for our customers, and really give everybody a good idea of what TCI is all about. Day one so far has turned out great. Lots of people here. The buzz seems to be still really high with our industry. There's a lot of customer sentiment that we're going to continue to see some strong demand for a while here. Our main goal is, how do we be a partner to them? How do we help our customer to succeed here in the next few years? And that's what we're just trying to talk about. It's been a great time, and participated in some of the NSSGA annual convention stuff over the past couple days. They have a great program. We'll continue to support that. They've got their Rock Pack event tonight, which we'll try to support, as well as taking some customers out to dinner. So overall, it's just been a good start to the week. We're looking forward to 2 more days of a lot of fun with a lot of great people in this industry. If you need any help from TCI, don't be afraid to reach out to one of our people if you know them. If you don't, reach out to us on social media, maybe through our website, tcimfg.com. You can call our factory, call the office. Whatever it is, we'd love to help you guys, and we're there for you.